For me, yeah, like I really enjoy it. I feel like the teachers are they're invested in how we do, and we can ask tons of questions, so we get lots of really good breakdowns on things, and we just have that really good discussion that we wouldn't get in a larger setting.
PCP is the Primary Care Paramedics, which is the first step into being a paramedic.
It's not always about what TV shows you. It's not always about the excitement. There's more to being a paramedic than just lights and sirens.
Coming to Suncrest, you actually kind of learn what works for you. They start understanding where you personally are struggling, and they can give you that help that you need on that level.
I've heard great things about Suncrest, and just the smaller class sizes is something I've really enjoyed. You kind of get more of a relationship with your teacher, get closer with your classmates. I'm happy I chose it.
It's great to see that we can provide more PCPs. This province is hurting desperately for paramedics.
See these students walking in right out of high school or having very little life skills, watching them to use all that knowledge that they've learned at Suncrest and apply it to a real patient.
I think students become a little bit more comfortable with instructors and asking the questions versus a larger group. If you are struggling or you do need a little bit help or more assistance, there's so much more time to do those things in a smaller environment.